everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Unique Designs by Latonya, and today's tutorial is going to be on a tablescape. I am going to put some pictures on the wall too, and I am going to put some things in a china cabinet. For all my new subscribers, thank you, and welcome. For all my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning back in with me once again for another amazing video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you comment at the bottom. Make sure if you really like this video, hit that like button and make sure you turn your notification bell on. I'm not going to prolong this video. I want to show you the details of things that I'm going to do in here. And I want you to take your time and look at the things. I'm not going to talk as much, so I am going to turn it over to this video. But like I said, for everyone, welcome, and thank you for tuning in with me. Don't forget, at the end of the video, if you got comments, please leave them at the bottom. I would love to hear your feedback, and make sure you let me know things that you want to see me do next. So until the meantime, I'm going to turn it over to this video.